Amazon's early Black Friday deals are live, and they've never been this massive. Even before the official Black Friday rush, Amazon is offering up to 85% off on must-have gadgets, home essentials, and more. Stick around till the end, because this is your chance to grab top products at jaw-dropping prices. All the deal links are in the description below. Our first deal features the Bose Ultra Earbuds, second generation, now 17% off, priced at $249, down from $299. These premium wireless earbuds deliver world-class noise cancellation, immersive spatial audio, and custom-tuned technology that adapts sound perfectly to your ears, with a secure fit, crystal-clear calls, and a wireless charging case for all-day listening. Our second deal features this Z-Show Girls Puffer Jacket, now 29% off, priced at $53, down from $74. This warm, waterproof, and windproof winter coat keeps kids cozy with its thick down alternative, soft fleece lining, and detachable hood, while practical zip pockets and a stylish puffer design make it perfect for snow days, school, or outdoor adventures. Our third deal features this Cereed toddler balance bike, now 22% off, priced at $47, down from $60. Built with a sturdy carbon steel frame, soft saddle, and puncture-proof tires, this lightweight bike helps kids develop balance and confidence early on, with adjustable handlebars and seat height for a perfect fit as they grow. Our fourth deal features this Windows 11 laptop with processor by Kiger, now 73% off, priced at $400, down from $1,500. It packs a powerful Intel quad-core processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 512 GB SSD for fast multitasking, with a stunning 16-inch thin bezel display, long 8-hour battery life, and sleek design built for both work and light gaming. Our fifth deal features this gaming laptop with AMD Ryzen 7, now 10% off, priced at $540, down from $600. Powered by the Ryzen 77735HS processor, it delivers blazing fast performance with 16 GB DDR5 RAM, a 512 GB NVMe SSD, and a vivid 16-inch IPS display, all kept cool by a dual fan system for smooth, lag-free gaming and multitasking. Our sixth deal features this health fitness tracker for women and men, now 30% off, priced at $35, down from $50. It offers 24 sports modes, heart rate and sleep monitoring, Bluetooth notifications, and a 1.47-inch HD touchscreen, all packed into a waterproof design with a long 10-day battery life and customizable watch faces for a stylish, active lifestyle. Our seventh deal features the BagSmart Small Gym Bag for Women, now 20% off, priced at $26, down from $33. This stylish, water-resistant 23-liter duffel includes dedicated compartments for a laptop and shoes, a TSA-friendly design for easy travel, and durable handles that make it perfect for the gym, weekend trips, or everyday use. Our eighth deal features this smartwatch for women and men, now 40% off, priced at $48, down from $80. It offers 30 days of battery life, Bluetooth calling, 24/7 heart rate and sleep tracking, and over 120 sports modes, with a bright 1.85-inch HD display, 5 ATM waterproof rating, and 300 customizable watch faces for a perfect blend of style and performance. Our ninth deal features these wireless earbuds with Bluetooth 5.3, now 42% off, priced at $15, down from $27. They deliver powerful hi-fi audio with deep bass, crystal clear ENC call quality, and a 48-hour total playtime, featuring instant auto pairing, IPX7 waterproof protection, and touch controls for effortless listening anywhere. Our 10th deal features this essential oil diffuser for home, now 74% off, priced at $26, down from $100. It offers a 500 milliliter capacity for large rooms, 9 ambient LED light colors, a soothing fireplace-inspired design, and ultra-quiet operation, creating a relaxing, stylish atmosphere perfect for bedrooms, offices, or yoga sessions. Our 11th deal features the Blink Mini 2, now 55% off, priced at $18, down from $40. This compact smart security camera offers 1080p HD live view, color night vision, two-way audio, motion detection alerts, and easy setup with optional cloud storage and Alexa integration for complete home monitoring. Our 12th deal features this smartwatch for iPhone and Android, now 40% off, priced at $48, down from $80. It provides 30 days of battery life, Bluetooth calling, 24/7 heart rate and sleep monitoring, 120 plus sports modes, 5 ATM waterproofing, and a 1.85-inch HD touchscreen with over 300 customizable watch faces for versatile everyday use. Our 13th deal features this stainless steel water bottle for sports, now 20% off, priced at $14, down from $17. It keeps drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12. Features a versatile 2-in-1 lid with straw and spout, is leak-proof and cup holder friendly, and made from BPA-free stainless steel for easy cleaning and pure-tasting hydration. Our 14th deal features these Bluetooth headphones with deep bass, now 38% off, priced at $18, down from $29. They deliver immersive HD sound with deep bass, 48-hour battery life with fast charging, a feather-light ergonomic design, Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, IPX7 waterproofing, and intuitive touch controls for seamless music and calls. Our 15th deal features this smartwatch with Alexa built-in, now 85% off, priced at $30, down from $200. It offers Bluetooth calling and notifications, Alexa voice control, 24/7 heart rate and sleep tracking, over 100 sports modes, a 1.83-inch HD touchscreen with customizable dials, and IP68 waterproofing for all-day convenience and fitness monitoring. Our 16th deal features this monster Bluetooth speaker, now 45% off, priced at $60, down from $110. It delivers 360-degree hi-fi stereo sound with 60-watt power, Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, IPX8 waterproofing, and a compact portable design perfect for parties, outdoor adventures, or home use. Our 17th deal features the iRobot Roomba 104 Vac Robot Vacuum, now 40% off, priced at $150, down from $250. It offers powerful 3-stage cleaning with 70x suction, smart navigation with Clearview LiDAR, customizable room scheduling, spot cleaning, and easy control via app or voice assistant for efficient hands-free home cleaning. Our 18th deal features this smart watch with fitness tracker, now 77% off, priced at $30, down from $130. It offers Bluetooth calling, Alexa voice control, 24/7 heart rate and sleep monitoring, 120 plus sports modes, a 1.83-inch HD screen with 130 plus customizable dials, and IP68 waterproofing for versatile everyday use. Our 19th deal features the JBL Charge 6, now 35% off, priced at $130, down from $200. It delivers powerful bass with crisp highs, up to 28 hours of playtime, stereo pairing with Auracast, IP68 waterproof and dustproof durability, and a sturdy removable handle for easy portability. Our 20th deal features the Hisense 43-inch E64 KUHD Smart TV, now 15% off, priced at $179, down from $210. It delivers stunning QLED color with total HDR, immersive Dolby Vision and Atmos, Fire TV with Alexa integration, AI 4K upscaling, and AI smooth motion for crisp, blur-free action. Our 21st deal features the Dyson V11 Origin cordless vacuum, now 37% off, priced at $400, down from $630. It offers up to 60 minutes of cordless runtime, 3 cleaning modes with an LCD screen, a motor bar head that tackles all floor types, and converts easily to a handheld for versatile cleaning. Our 22nd deal features the Vinyl Record Player 3, now 26% off at $45, down from $60. It combines vintage style with modern tech, supports 3 record sizes and speeds, offers Bluetooth, RCA, aux-in, and headphone connectivity, and includes auto stop and quick mode switches for effortless listening. Our 23rd deal features the Chefman 2 Mini Air Fryer, now 25% off at $45, down from $60. It cooks up to 3 times faster than an oven, uses little to no oil for healthy meals, has a 2-quart square basket with shake notifications, and features dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. Our 24th deal is the Sleep Sounds machine, now 37% off at $15, down from $24. It offers 30 natural sounds including white noise and lullabies, 12 adjustable night lights, 5 timer settings with memory function, 36 volume levels, and a sleek, elegant design suitable for all ages. Our 25th deal is the HP 15.6-inch laptop, now 27% off at $300, down from $410. It features a Micro Edge HD touchscreen, AMD Ryzen 3 processor with Radeon graphics, 128GB SSD with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM, Windows 11 Home and S mode, and Wi-Fi 6 with Bluetooth 5.4 for fast, secure connectivity. Our 26th deal is the Anker Laptop Power Bank, now 32% off at $92, down from $135. It offers triple 100-watt USB-C ports, 25,000 mAh capacity with ultra-fast charging, dual built-in cables for on-the-go use, and the ability to charge up to 4 devices simultaneously. Our 27th deal is the official licensed Google TV Smart Projector, now 32% off at $250, down from $370. It features built-in Google TV for direct streaming, Google Voice Assistant control, 4K resolution with 400 ANSI lumens brightness, immersive Dolby sound, and wide device compatibility via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Our 28th deal is the computer laptop headphones with noise canceling, now 24% off at $24, down from $32. They feature a 270-degree noise canceling microphone, comfortable protein memory foam earpads, enhanced 40mm audio drivers, USB/3.5mm connectivity, and a multi-purpose design perfect for calls, gaming, and online learning. Our 29th deal is the wireless gaming headset, now 40% off at $30, down from $50. It delivers 7.1 surround sound, RGB lighting, up to 100 hours of battery life, 2.4 GHz wireless/Bluetooth/3.5mm connectivity, a retractable noise-canceling mic, and ergonomic memory sponge cushions for immersive, comfortable gaming. Our 30th deal is the Underdesk Elliptical Machine, now 33% off at $100, down from $150. It offers 12 speeds and modes, forward and reverse pedaling, HR, manual, and auto modes, an LCD monitor for tracking time, distance, and calories, plus an ultra-quiet design perfect for exercising while working, reading, or watching TV. Our 31st deal is the Eufy Omni C20 Robot Vacuum and Mop, now 50% off at $350, down from $700. It features all-in-one auto-emptying, washing, and drying, 7,000 PA powerful suction, dual sweeping and mopping, a low-profile 3.35-inch design for tight spaces, and a Pro Detangle comb to handle hair and reduce maintenance effortlessly. Our 32nd deal is the Redragon 98 Keys Wireless RGB Keyboard, now 31% off at $45, down from $65. It offers tri-mode connectivity with USB-C, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless, a compact 98-key layout with gasket design for quieter typing, hot swappable switches for easy customization, noise-dampening layers for ultra-clean acoustics, and a convenient control knob for media and backlight adjustments. Our 33rd deal is the Garmin Forerunner 55, now 25% off at $150, down from $200. This running watch tracks heart rate and GPS distance, offers up to 2 weeks of battery life in smartwatch mode, features Pace Pro for GPS-based pace guidance, supports multiple activity profiles like running, cycling, and swimming, and includes wellness tools, customizable watch faces, and suggested workouts tailored to your fitness level. Our 34th deal is the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer, now 36% off at $90, down from $140. This all-in-one appliance air fries, bakes, dehydrates, roasts, and uses a rotisserie, cooks faster with rapid air heating, uses up to 98% less oil for healthier meals, features 17 easy-to-use presets with a capacitive touchscreen, includes multiple racks and a rotisserie spit, and its 10-liter capacity is perfect for family meals or meal prepping. Our 35th deal is the Razer Black Widow 5 Pro, now 21% off at $197, down from $250. This mechanical keyboard features tactile green switches for precise keystrokes, customizable per-key RGB lighting with immersive 3-side underglow. Our 36th deal is the Sterling Original Men's Watch, now 85% off at $60, down from $395. This stylish sports watch features luminescent hands and indices within a coin-edge bezel, precise Japanese Miyota movement, a high-grade rubber strap with tang buckle for durable comfort, water resistance up to 100 meters suitable for swimming and snorkeling, and comes with a 2-year comprehensive warranty. Our 37th deal is the Bulliant Slim Wallet. Genuine leather, now 21% off at $16, down from $20. This slim wallet features a secure magnetic closure, 12 card slots for ample organization, a sleek front pocket design, durable genuine leather construction, and built-in RFID blocking to protect your personal data. Our 38th deal is the Bosch GWS 8-angle grinder, now 38% off at $49, down from $79. This angle grinder features a powerful 7.5 amp motor with 11,000 RPM, slim grip design for comfort, durable carbon brushes for long life, 2-position side handle for control, directed airflow to protect components, burst protection guard for safety, service minder brushes, and a large spindle lock for easy disc changes. Our 39th deal is the Kosori Smart 12-in-1 Air Fryer, now 13% off at $139.97, down from $159.99. This versatile air fryer offers 12 cooking functions, a 26-quart capacity for family-sized meals, rapid heat circulation with 6 elements, and a 2-speed fan, Alexa and Google Assistant connectivity via the VSync app, durable stainless steel construction, and comes with helpful accessories including an oven rack, food tray, fry basket, crumb tray, and recipe book. Our 40th deal is the Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer Oven, now 20% off at $250, down from $314. This all-in-one French door air fryer toaster oven combines 10 kitchen tools, features dual cooking zones with customizable presets, quick sync technology for perfectly timed meals, an extra-large 25-quart capacity for family-sized cooking, and quickly transforms frozen foods into delicious meals in minutes. So that's a wrap on today's 40 massive early Black Friday deals on Amazon with discounts of up to 85% off. If there's any product you think we missed, drop a comment and we'll include it in the next part. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description to grab these deals before they're gone.